Hi, this is Michael. So I've discovered that my Panasonic microwave likes to turn on when you open the door. It's a little disappointing considering it's not that old. When you have a security screw, this one is a Torx with a little metal pole in it. I found you can just take a small flathead screwdriver, stick it in there, and undo it. So once you have the cover off, you see that back inside here is the main switch. It's held in with a little finger clip. And down here, you see this gray switch. There's two side by side. That's a secondary and monitor switch. So here's the only interesting part of the fix. When I was testing the switch, as you can see here, it was working. It's shorted, it's open, it's shorted, it's open. However, when you move the switch around, it should stay open right now, but as you can see on the meter, it randomly is shorting depending on how you're holding it. Something that was nice was they included the part numbers for the 3 switches inside of the microwave. This is the number for the replacement switch. It's an Omron switch. So if you happen to need the same switch as I did, you can just go get that Omron switch off of an electronics website for much cheaper than you'll get it at the appliance repair stores. It cost me $10, but I saw that it's $2 something at an electronics store. Here I'm just fitting the switch back into the microwave. Oh, and in case you're wondering if this was dangerous, apparently it's probably not, because what this seems to be is a fault code that the microwave generates when it detects a problem with the switches, and it turns on the carriage motor and the fan when the door is opened, and that indicates this type of trouble. So there you go. It's a simple faulty switch repair to fix this problem. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye.